Hi. So yeah, I have created an n8n engine workflow which can actually just directly do the assignments for you. Let me show you. So yeah, this is the workflow which can do it for you. So it can just directly pick up assignments from your Google Classroom, fetch it, and create actually very close to human-like assignments, and it can it. Well, it was supposed to submit it, but yeah, it can for now at least upload it. Let me just execute this workflow. For before that, let me just show you my assignment. So yeah, this was the assignment. So the assignment was actually not directly in here, but as an attachment. This also adds a overhead in the workflow part, but that's not something you should be concerned about. But yeah, so yeah, this is the assignment. This was a question. Just two questions we had to solve, and I didn't. I created this rather than solving these two questions. I I will solve it. But yeah, so the to-do list has like two assignments pending. So my workflow should be ideally able to solve that. Let me show you my drive. It's all empty and everything. And yeah, let me show you how it works. So this when I execute this workflow, so it starts with very simple. So the idea is it works on a cron job basis. Cron job is by like automatic code uh, processing every once in a while. So you can just set something like every once in a while you want to execute. So for this every day it can just automatically go to Google Classroom, see if there's an assignment, solve it from me, and just upload it to my drive. So it's that easy. I mean, the assignment is solved, uploaded, and everything. All I need to do is just go to my Google Classroom now. I show you that my workflow is done. So now I just go to this. I will also explain what that little red thing meant at the down. So like we just open a Google Drive, and I should see some assignments. Yeah, there are two assignments, and I think this is the one, economics one. So I will just add it, and let me show you how it looks like. And yeah, you saw the questions. It was something about this graph, and you have to solve this. It's an economic question. I still have to study that part. My exam's in 3 days, but yeah. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. This is where the assignment. This is the exact paper we use. This is the exact format we use. The font is somewhat what you can say human-like, but this can be improved a lot. I just found the quickest way workaround to something like that. So yeah, it solved the assignment for me. Yeah, and it's right in my drive, so I just need to do this. And in fact, I can just go to my other assignment too. I can just do that, and it should be right here. uh, yeah, classroom copies checking, so it can, so obviously it won't be very good at this because there's no thing, I just have to upload it. But yeah, it does create some boilerplate stuff, so I can add it. But either way, the main point is, yeah, it can automatically solve my assignments and everything and upload it to my drive. The thing where it fails is that I wanted it to submit it directly to my Google Classroom, but that was actually not possible. I was very sad by that, but the thing is, Google just doesn't allow that. So it's right here. It's the documentation. It says that you cannot submit via API to a assignment which you have not really created on your own. So that's forbidden. But still, we went so close. I didn't knew AI agents and workflows could go this far. I was very far away from whatever was happening. But yeah, last night became really exciting when I found out, okay, n8n and I can do this much. But obviously for obvious reasons and disclaimer purposes, I will tell it. I'm not going to be sharing this or making it more public and everything. I can share and explain for educational purposes, like how this works, how you can build it, something like that. But yeah, it's not something which I intend to commercialize. I will be kicked out of my college, and that's not something which I'm looking forward to as of now. So yeah, that's the whole thing. And yeah, goodbye. That's all there is. It can solve assignments for you. If you want to see more about like how the assignment looks like, how it works, how the assignment is created, it even writes my roll number, assignment, everything. It writes twice, so that's something which I need to fix. But yeah, apart from that, it's actually pretty close to what you would expect from an assignment. So it is actually, I mean, if I actually use this introduction, I think out of every 10 assignment, 2 assignments would actually pass. 2 teachers would just be like, okay, yeah, this is work. The handwriting part can be improved a lot. Obviously it can be improved a lot. There are various methods we can use. We can actually even create a font with our own handwriting. That these are all possible things. But as of now, I just wanted to just try this out, and it was for learning process. I just tried. I knew about n8n for quite some time, but I just had a kick at it, or nag at it, whatever you say. I just tried it yesterday, and I was able to complete it. And yeah, that's all the agent is. This is how the workflow looks like. So I will probably explain this in a bit more detail later on. But yeah, I can, if I wanted to, I could just give up on assignments and I would be done. It's fine. But yeah, obviously I won't be using it. But yeah, it was a pretty cool thing. And yeah, bye bye.